ISRO successfully launches GSAT-29 satellite from Sriharikota. ISRO's heavy-lift rocket GSLV-MkIII-D2 Wednesday successfully injected into orbit the country's latest communication satellite GSAT-29 that is intended to meet the communication needs of people in remote areas in the northeast and Jammu and Kashmir. The 27-hour countdown for the launch began at 2:50 p.m. Tuesday and the rocket blasted off at 5:08 p.m. from the spaceport at Sriharikota, over 100 kilometers from Chennai. The 3,423 kilograms GSAT-29 carries Ka and Ku band high-throughput transponders which will provide communication services to remote places in the northeast and Jammu and Kashmir, besides aid the center's Digital India program, ISRO Chief K. Sivan said. ISRO scientists broke into cheers as the satellite was injected into a geosynchronous orbit, 16 minutes after liftoff. Sivan said the country had achieved a significant milestone following the successful launch and the injection of the satellite into the GTO was precise. I am extremely happy to declare that our heaviest launcher in its second mission has lifted the heaviest satellite, GSAT-29 from Indian soil, and after a majestic travel of 16 minutes, it precisely injected it into the intended geotransfer orbit, he said. ISRO scientists had termed the launch crucial for the space agency as the rocket would be used for the ambitious Chandrayaan-2 and the country's manned space missions. Sivan said while the launch vehicle's first operational mission was going to be none other than Chandrayaan in January 2019, this fantastic vehicle is going to carry humans to space in 3 years from now. Cyclone Gaja had clouded the launch plans, but with it changing course and conducive weather conditions prevailing, the rocket blasted off on schedule. The satellite would be placed in its final geostationary orbit using the onboard propulsion system, and it may take a few days after separation from launcher to reach the orbital slot, ISRO said. The GSLV-MkIII-D2 is a 3-stage launch vehicle with 2 solid strap-ons, a liquid core stage and a cryogenic upper stage. Compared to solid and liquid stages, the C-25 cryogenic stage is more efficient as well as complex. According to ISRO, the GSAT-29 satellite is intended to serve as a test bed for several new technologies. It is specifically designed to cater to communication requirements of users from remote areas of the country. The mission life is about 10 years. GSLV-MkIII is the 5th-generation launch vehicle developed by ISRO and is designed to place satellites of up to 4,000 kilograms in GTO. The launch vehicle is the 67th launch mission from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota and the 33 communication satellite built by ISRO, for which this will be the 5th launch this year.